Welcome to another session here. We'd like to know how to compute double linear interpolation. What I mean by that, for example, I got this table. You could be thermodynamic, could be anything, any table you have. For example, in this table, on one column right here, which is basically the unit is for a roof, hour time feet square per Fahrenheit BTU, this column, it goes 20, 30, 40, 50. And then to correspond with PSI, it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. But what if I have a number is between 40 and 40, 50, right here, there's nothing, between 4 and 50, and also on a number between 30 and 40, there's nothing there. How we do compute a double linear interpolation. Let me go to my Excel. I took this table and I put it in Excel. It's right here. So I have, for a ground snow load I got, which is a pound per square foot, I got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60 pound per square foot. On this side for R value, I have 20, 30, 40, 50. But I'm looking for 45 on a ground snow load versus 35 on an R value, which is not in the table. And what is the p-value here? We're going to use this equation. It's pretty cool, comes out pretty accurate. But before I use this equation, what we got to do is I'm going to take the number before and after, put in this Excel here. So I got 40, and I got 50, and I got 30 and 40. And then I take these numbers right there. At 40 is 113 right here. At 50 is 111 right there, and you get it. At 40 is 116, and the other side is also 116. So what is at 35 and 45 connecting? What is my p-value? Very simply easy. What I did here, use this equation. You could put this equation into the Excel and figure it out, but before we go there, what I did here, take a look at this here. So come up, I got x value, the value I don't have is an x, I got x2 value, I got on one column, I got y1 value and y2 value. The value I don't have is a y, and the answer I'm looking for is a p. So I call these characters q11, q21, q22, and q12. So to correspond with it, my x2 is basically 50, my x1 is 40, but the x which I don't have is a 45 I'm looking for, that value. And again, on this column, y1 become the 30 for me, and y2 become 40, and y, which I don't have, I'm looking for is 35 to correspond to p. To make it easier for myself, what I have done, use this equation. I broke the equation on 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Because when I put the whole thing in Excel, it takes me 3-4 times to get it right. Unless you're good at it, you can do it. What I did, I just put first one right here, which is x2 minus x1, and x2 will become what? 50 minus 40 times y2, which is 40 minus 30, divided by x2 minus x1, y2 minus 1 is fill in this blank, and time q11. Q11 is this number here, and you come out with this. Okay, so now we're going to go to the second one, which is basically this second equation right here, this one right here, and put them in Excel. And I put them right there, and we get 275. Then I put a third one right here, which is this one, and then a fourth one, which is this one, and a total become 114. We can also do this, just take the formula and go ahead and write out the equation, just like I have, right? Well, basically, you can just write it out and using the equation like I have here. And one thing I noticed, the denominator comes out to 100 for all four part of the equation. And if you do it this way, like n ways, and you get the same answer as Excel. Hopefully this was useful to you, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and have a great day.